In Texas is now at the center of the national debate over women's right to choose.
A federal judge in Amarillo is weighing whether to ban a pill used for abortions. NBC's Bree Jackson is in Washington, D.C. And Bree, Wednesday was the first public hearing on this case. What's the issue at hand here?
Good morning, Maureen, Dave. Well, the plaintiffs in this case want the FDA-approved mifepristone pulled from the market. The abortion medication has been widely used for decades, and the U.S. government questions why, or lawyers for the U.S. government question why the drug's use is being challenged now. The legal battle over access to abortion continues.
I value life. I think it's extremely precious.
I remember before Roe v. Wade, and now I'm looking at it all over again.
At the center of the debate this time, the abortion pill, mifepristone. It's part of a two-drug regimen that terminates pregnancies.
In our post-Roe world, medication abortion is one of the last access that millions of women and pregnant people across this country have.
A group of anti-abortion medical organizations and doctors, known as the Alliance for Hippocratic Medicine, filed a lawsuit in Texas, arguing the government did not adequately evaluate the safety of the drug.
We're asking the court to do what is right, to follow and ask the FDA to follow the law by taking these dangerous drugs off the marketplace.
The FDA says the plaintiff's claims are unsupported by any evidence. The U.S. District Judge hearing the case, Matthew Kaczmarek, has a history of anti-abortion stances. Those who support a woman's right to choose tell me this is another attempt to hinder abortion access nationwide.
We should all be incredibly concerned about what's happening and how the opposition is using the court structure essentially to continue to erode access to sexual and reproductive health care.
The Trump-appointed judge could make a decision on the matter as soon as this week, a ruling with nationwide implications. And since being approved 2 decades ago, the FDA says more than 5 million women have taken mifepristone, with only 28 reported deaths. Maureen?
And Bree, was there any indication which way the judge is leaning?
Well, there were no recordings from the courtroom, but those that were inside said that the judge in this case did seem sympathetic towards the plaintiff's case. Now, again, it's important to note that this judge is known for having a history of anti-abortion stances.
All right, Bree Jackson, something the nation will be watching. Thank you so much.